Today, we are talking about how you can make a doctor's salary as a personal trainer in 2025. With the modern social media landscape, trainers are making a ton of money, and it's actually quite simple to do so. But the problem is most trainers don't know how. And that's exactly what I will be breaking down in this video. I'll be exposing the common misconceptions that most trainers need to break, what you need to do to get started, and what you need to avoid so you can start seeing results ASAP. Look, most personal trainers follow a broken model. They work hourly, which means their income is capped. They trade their time for money. So the moment they stop working, their income stops. They rely on gym walk-ins or word of mouth, which means they never have control over their lead flow. And let's be real, gyms don't ever pay their trainers well. You don't ever get paid what you're actually worth. You're grinding 12-hour shifts just to make $3,000, maybe $5,000, while the gym takes the majority of your earnings. And if you're in a commercial gym, forget about it. You're competing with every other trainer on the floor, fighting for scraps. Trust me, I would know. Before the glory and $200,000 months that I'm making now, I was also in your shoes. But I'm here to tell you that that's not the only way to make it in this space. There's a new model that trainers are using in 2025 that allows them to work from anywhere, scale their income without working more hours, and build real, true financial freedom. And that's with online coaching. The fitness industry has completely changed. People don't want in-person training. They want customized solutions they can follow on their own time. More people than ever are trying to get into that summer body shape, but they don't know how. So they're looking for someone who can simplify it for them. You and I know you're probably thinking, but Eric, I'm not an expert. Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't need to be a fitness guru to do this, like an IFBB pro or something, and I'll prove it to you. The fact of the matter is that most people never start because they think I'm not famous enough, I don't have a certification, or the market is too saturated. It's all bullshit. In 2014, I hit rock bottom due to a devastating drug addiction. I didn't have a brand, I didn't have a certification, I didn't even have a college degree, yet I'm here now. Frankly, clients don't care about your follower count. What they do care about is if you can help them. And people will never stop being fat, nor will they ever stop trying to get in shape. And I say this to say that there's still more demand than ever for online trainers. Just Google how many overweight people are in the US alone. So the real problem is that most coaches don't know how to market themselves properly. If you've helped yourself or helped even one person get in shape, you already know more than 99% of people, and that means you can sell it. The real problem isn't whether people will buy, it's whether you know how to package and sell your expertise properly. And that's exactly what I'm gonna break down next. Here's exactly how trainers are scaling to 10K, 20K, even 30 to 50K per month in 2025. Step one is to pick a niche. You know, Hormozi has this great line that says, riches are in the niches. So general weight loss is just too broad. Instead, pick a specific type of person you want to help. Let me give you an example. New moms who want to get back in shape, or former athletes who want to build muscle again. The more specific, the better. Heck, I just saw an offer for someone trying to help post-pregnancy tech executives who need to rebuild core strength while managing 60+ hour work weeks. Nursing. I was freaking shocked at how unique and how narrow it was. Step two is build a high ticket offer. So stop charging $50 or $100 per month. You need a $1,500 to $3,000 coaching program instead. Now, why is that? Because low ticket equals low commitment. People don't take $50 coaching programs seriously. Value stack the offer with as many low cost, high payout bonuses as possible to increase the perceived value of your offer in the customer's eyes. Step three, get clients without cold DMs. You don't have to spam strangers to get clients, even though that's what every guru teaches. Instead, use a content system that attracts people to you. Post educational content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any platform you can get on, and sprinkle in transformational content showing how you've helped other people. Finally is offer free resources. That could be meal guides, training programs, ebooks, anything for free in exchange for email as a lead magnet. Then when someone engages, move them to a conversation, qualify the lead, and book the call over the DMs. It's as easy as benching 225 pounds. Shout out to my 2-plate club members out there. Step four, closing sales calls like a pro. Listen, trainers suck at selling. Here's a reality that we all know, but some of you are really stubborn to comprehend. If you can't sell, you won't make money. The least you can do is to use a structured call process just to set the frame. You're not a salesperson, you are a problem solver. And to solve a problem, the only logical thing to do is ask as many questions as humanly possible to give prospects the notion that you and your offer understands their needs better than anyone. And oh yeah, make sure to offer payment plans. Step 5, scale to 30K plus months. Once you hit your first 10K month, start to outsource tasks. It can be onboarding, check-ins, lead generation, managing your DMs. That way there you can focus on getting better clients, raising your prices, and building a team that manages everything for you. This is how coaches go from 10 to 30K to 50K a month. Now, obviously, I just gave you the high level overview or game plan. If you want the exact step-by-step strategy to go from 0 to 20K plus per month, I put together a recent free training and guide breaking down the entire process, showing you how to do this step by step. I'll show you how to attract high ticket fitness clients without cold DMs, the exact sales script I use to close 3K plus fitness clients, how to automate and scale your coaching business to 30K plus per month. If you want it, drop the word 20K in the comments below or message me on Instagram and I'll send it to you. Or just click the link in the description below. It'll be the first one. Listen, 2025 is the year to start this. The fitness industry is booming, online coaching is only growing, and people are willing to pay for your results. You can either stay stuck grinding in the gym for low pay, or you can take control, build a real business, and make what you're actually worth. Drop 20K in the comments if you want the guide, smash that like button if this helped you, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's get to work.